Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. Today we will learn about 5 important mathematical functions in SQL. So let's get started. So the first function is min function, and what min function does? Min function returns the smallest value of the selected column. I'm writing it down here for you. Min function For example, I'm selecting table employee. So here I'm selecting a table named as employees. So I've got 3 records in an employee table. Now let's say, for example, I want to search an employee with a minimum salary. So select min and then column name, select min employee salary as employee. I'm giving it alias. Now let's execute it. Wait a second. I have not selected an employee name. Oh, it is showing me an error. Let's use group by employee name. Let's execute it. So an employee with minimum salary is Farhan. Farhan is an individual with minimum salary. Now suppose if I eliminate an employee name here, now let's see the result. So it is directly showing me that employee with minimum salary has salary equal to rupees 30,000. Now let's use maximum. Now what maximum function does? max function returns the largest value of the selected column. I have already written query here, so no need to write query again. I'm copying it, and instead of min I'm writing max, and I have to make changes in alias as well. Now let's execute it. Employee with max salary has salary equal to rupees 60,000. Now let's add employee name column with group by. So you can see here in an output, employee with maximum salary is Majid. Majid is an individual whose salary is rupees 60,000. Majid is an individual whose salary is rupees 60,000, and this is the highest salary among all individuals. So I hope you got something about minimum and maximum function. We will continue about other mathematical functions in next video. Thank you.